Friendly announcer, Mr. DJ, and you are on the one. We just heard the latest from the new edition, Crazy for You by Madonna, and the never-ending saga of Roxanne, U2FO's Roxanne. We heard Roxanne's Revenge, Roxanne's a Man, the real Roxanne, Roxanne's Granny, and Roxanne meets Godzilla. And here's an exclusive from WONE. Roxanne meets Mr. DJ coming to a record store near you soon. We got your rap, your jazz, your rhythm and soul. We've even got your rock and roll. Reach out and touch a star. Request lines open at 123 WONE. I'm Mr. DJ. And guess what, baby? Yeah, you are on the one. WONE request line, radio for the world. You're on the air. What's your name and where you calling from?
Yo, Mr. DJ, this is Ronnie from Lakewood, man. What's happening?
Hey, dude, how you hanging?
Hey, I'm hanging pretty tough, man. I was just wondering if I could hear a little bit of that Frank Sinatra with that
Quincy Jones.
Quincy Jones, yeah, that's it. You know, a little LA, she's my lady, and maybe a little New York, huh?
Hey, thanks, dude. Love you, babe. WONE request line, radio for the world. You're on the air. What's your name? Where you calling from?
This is from Queen.
What's happening?
Man, you happening?
Hey, you're live, man. What's going on?
The Black Man. The song, I haven't heard it.
Which one?
The Black Man song.
We just played 10.
The one with the socks, man.
Black socks.
No, the socks.
Sounds like a baseball team from Harlem, dude. Hang on, we'll get it on. WONE request line, radio for the world. Hi, you're on the air. What's your name? Where you calling from? Yes, who's this?
Floyd
from Hollywood. How's it going, Floyd? You all right, babe?
I feel fine.